Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to a PDF document using a very free to use PDF editor. So the editor we're going to use today is called Sejda PDF, and you can access it by just coming to sejda.com, and you can download and install it on your system. It is available for both Mac and Windows. You can just come to desktop in here, and once you click you'll be able to download. It is available for Mac, Intel, and Windows 64-bit and Linux as well. You can find all of them from here, so it's very easy to download and install. I've installed mine, so I can just come over here to the launchpad and just search for Sejda PDF. Mind you, most of the key operations you can do them even online, but for better experience it's better you just download it. So in here I want to use, you can see all tools in here, and you'll be able to choose from the available one that you want to use or work on. For my own case, I want to add a watermark, so I can just click on watermark and I can choose the PDF file. So let's say I have this seminar paper by one of our students and I just imported it, and you can see the default watermark that it has added. I wanted to add something like unpublished or unpresented. All right, so you can see the preview over here. Now one thing is you can add as many texts as you want. You can change the rotation angle, okay, to however you want it. I think this angle is perfect for me, and the opacity also, you can vary the opacity. You can make it highly visible and you can make it less. I think in some cases 25 is better. And then the location on page, you can centralize it, you can make it custom if you want to have define the left, right, top and bottom locations if you want, but I always prefer it to be centered. Now over here you can do this same watermarking with text, or you can add an image. If you have any image, you can bring it in, and if you are interested, you can save the setup that you have as a template, so anytime you're coming back you don't have to set up everything. You're going to use available template and kind of work on it manually. If you like, you can recenter it, you position it to wherever you want it as well, and it's going to pick in the position. So that's when you go with custom, but let's say I'm going to go with centered, and down here you can change the font style and you can change the size and the coloration as well. I want to leave it at red, but if you like you can have other colors as well. So preview page can be just a single page, and then the number of pages that you want watermark you can define from here as well. So you can save the settings and you can give this a name. For example, I can say PhD1. okay, so you can just go ahead and save. Now this is saved as a template, so anytime you come in you want to use the template, you can always use it directly from here. So once you are done with everything, you like what you have, you can just say watermark PDF, and then you can give it another name and location that you want to save, and it's going to save directly in that particular location. Let's say I'm going to the desktop and I'm going to select, and this is now going to process and save your document. We can see it is very much a watermarked. You can see everywhere is watermarked with this unpresented watermark that we've added. Okay, so this is complete. You can always go back to watermark and continue with some editings if you want. So this concludes this simple tutorial. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.